When your products are first imported into CatalogPilot, you can navigate to them and view the original source data. This includes the existing product content and any search engine optimization already applied by the platform. The objective is to rebuild and enhance this data completely. To begin, head over to the dashboard and locate your products within the enrichment section. From here, you can select items either by category or by individual product. Once selected, you can generate an estimate to proceed with enrichment. In this example, we have one product with a few variants, one category, and multiple images. The cost to enrich this product is shown. This is a one-time process. Once enriched, it does not need to be repeated. Go ahead and confirm and start. The system will queue the product and begin the enrichment process. Enrichment is a structured, multi-step process. For this example, it is estimated to take several minutes. During this time, the system processes the product, its variants, associated category, and all images. It's worth noting that the image enhancement includes ADA and WCAG compliant tagging, using technology that was only introduced mid-2025. Once enrichment is complete, navigate to the review page. Here, you can see the full breakdown. The enriched product, its associated variants, the processed images, and the category it belongs to. You can also compare the original content against the improved version side by side. Once reviewed, simply approve all items. The system will finalize the updates and apply them across your catalog. You can then open the product and toggle between the original and approved versions at any time.